Introducing Aeolos, a humanoid robot.
There are two different ways in which we can control this robot. One of them is automated and the other one is manual. We are going to see how manual works. So I'm going to make this robot move forward 4 steps. And similarly, it is going to move back 4 steps. We can also increase the speed of the robot by using a different joystick. It can also turn. Let's see how automated works. This is the software for controlling the robot. Over here, when you're bending down, you see all the power buttons. You have power, you have reset and you have USB, the one from where we can upload the code. Once we start the robot, this is how it looks.